LMIAs and you. What is an LMIA? It's a labor market impact assessment. What's a labor market impact assessment? That's a test for the Canadian labor market. It's a test to see if there's a Canadian who can take a job that someone's trying to give to someone from outside of Canada. The whole process is to help someone come to Canada to do work and get permanent residency status and become Canadian citizen, all that if they choose to. So there's two streams that people have to be aware of. One is for low wage earners and the other is for high wage earners. It's going to be a little more easy of a process for people who have higher wages because they're more complex jobs, generally speaking. There's a little more technical skills. It's a little more to it than a low wage earner. What the government's going to do is make sure that no one is taking a job away from a Canadian. They're going to force you to publish in public notifications in magazines and newspapers, online forums, to try and hire a Canadian for that position, showing the wage that's going to be paid. If someone takes the job, then you can't hire someone from another country. But if there's no Canadians available to take that job for you, then your labor market impact assessment is going to help you bring that person into Canada to work. The immigration rules are very specific that way. Now, there are some jobs that are banned from being able to use an LMIA. It's banned because there are so many Canadians out of work in that particular industry that they're not going to allow any foreigner to come to Canada to get permanent residency to take that job away from a Canadian. Those lists are going to change from time to time, so it's good to check them because there's no point in spending money on your LMIA or the application process if it's banned. You're not going to be able to get the person anyway. This is a very complex process, and you want a positive result so that you can bring in the worker as an employer in Canada. If it's negative, you can't bring that person in. And because of the complexity of the applications, we'd strongly recommend that you get help in doing that. And of course, lawyers are there, immigration lawyers are there to be able to help, but a missed application where you've put in an error, there's something that's not right, can be very costly both in terms of dollars and time. So do it right the first time and help fill a job in Canada if there's not a Canadian here to do it for you. That's another Kahane Law Legal Minute. Thank you for watching, and don't forget, share this video, like this video, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.